Hi, I am from Master Technovision. Let me talk about Intercom system. If your building still runs on outdated intercom systems and it's not functioning, you are compromising on security and convenience. For over 15 years, we have been helping clients upgrade to smarter, more reliable solutions using trusted brands like Comax, Elcad, Fairmax, Comlate, Urmet, etc. We have successfully completed 300 plus building projects, so we understand exactly what your property needs. Whether it's apartments, villas or high-rise towers, we deliver systems that work flawlessly every time. If you are serious about upgrading your building, let's make it happen. Do contact me. I can provide you the best affordable solutions.